BMW X5 Ks2780mm006 for sale in Grosse Point, Michigan. 48236 2015 BMW X5 Ks2780mm006 priced 12 below CPO prices with additional 12 months BMW Service Plan. Immaculate Glacier Silver Metallic with Black Dakota Leather with all the options as well as extended BMW Maintenance and Tire / rim protection. Ride in luxury and comfort mode around town or hit the button for sport mode to enjoy BMW experience so much more. Clean CarFax and Autocheck. Your new X5 is fully loaded, has all the bells and whistles, luxury line, 20 alloy wheels and new tires, cold weather package, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, retractable headlight washers, driver assistance package, rear view camera, heads-up display HUD, lighting package, adaptive full LED, auto high beams, premium package, comfort access keyless entry, 4-zone climate and rear controls, running boards, upgraded seats, multi-contour and 10-way front driver and passenger, sound, Harmon Kardon Surround Sound, wood trim, Poplar, mats, original floor mats and Weathertec front and rear for keeping it well maintained. Protection plan information, new vehicle limited warranty, through September 25, 2018 or 50,000 miles, CPO Protection Plan, through September 25, 2020 or 100,000 miles. BMW Maintenance through Sept 2019, Tire / rim protection through May 2020. Condition, immaculate, no dents, no accidents, non-smoker, no animals ever in car, always garaged.